Guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another episode from Salvage Nation. You're joining me on board as I'm dropping this car off to Access Competitions UK. Let's go. So guys, since you saw this car last, a major thing has happened. I've had the guys from Gold Remaps come down to my home. They did a mobile remap on this car, and now we've gone from 215 brake to 265, and check it out. Boy, has it made a difference. I'll show you a few clips right now, and I'll show you the official details of what I'm getting for that remap. Guys, there you have it. If you look behind me, the car is looking nice. I've been on it all day, and now it's time to head down to Reading, where I'm going to be dropping it off to Access Competitions UK. And then by the time you're seeing this video, the link will be live. If you head on over to the link down below, accesscompetitions.co.uk, and then you can purchase some tickets if you want to win this car. And check it out, it's the LCI, so you know you're getting those bright daytime running lights. I'm giving it with the private plate. TAMXW, take my ex-wife, or whatever you think it means. You're going to be getting that with the car as well. It's coming with the really sexy grills. I've taken off the front lip so you can decide what you want to do. You've got the 19-inch BMW 313 alloys. The guys from Access UK are going to be giving it a nice valet, a nice clean, so you're going to be getting it in great condition. You've got those red leather interior. Look at that, in very, very good condition. I've done the white light mod on the clocks, so you're getting that as well. You're getting sat nav, you're getting the full works, Bluetooth, audio, everything. Come around to the back. Look at that carbon fiber. Without further ado, let's get down to Reading. Guys, we just got down to Reading, and I've just met up with Stefan from Access Competitions UK. Stefan, how you doing, man?
I'm good, D. How you doing, mate?
Yeah, man. So, what's gonna happen?
So, this is live on our website now. It's reduced ticket prices until the end of Bank Holiday Monday, so it's £13 a ticket. After that, it goes back up to £15 a ticket. As soon as we sell out the tickets, some lucky person is going to win this and 500 quid cash.
That's it, guys. You're getting the car plus 500 quid thanks to the guys from Access Competitions UK. Let's continue. There she goes. That's the end of that. Have a look at her. Bittersweet, but for one of you lucky people, you're going to be owning that car, and I feel so nice. Yeah. I've got a long old trip back to London, but it's not too bad to get into this bad boy. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Guys, head on over to Access Competitions UK, purchase some tickets, take part, let's have some fun, and hopefully one of you can win my car plus £500 cash. If you like this content, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you're watching this and you're not subscribed, go smash that subscribe button now. Like I always say, guys, I'm very happy, and I hope you are too, but keep it moving, and I'll see you in the next one.